Soup.
On behalf of the flight and cabin crew, we'd like to be the first to welcome you to Boston.
I want some soup.
Current time is 5:40 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
Give me some soup.
Dude, it's straight up freezing in here. Come on, dude. It's freaking cold up in here.
That hot soup. That yummy soup. That thick soup. You got that clear, man? Soup.
I want some soup, man. Not Superman. I want soup.
The weather in Boston's like that. Changes like that. Freezing like that. Rain is like that.
So I need soup.
I didn't bring my jacket. I left it back in LA. The weather in Boston's crazy. It changes every day. Bostonians dunking their donuts. I love that Boston cream. You must be rolling in that dough to buy that crib.